Good afternoon. Thank you for joining this demonstration. Today we're going to talk about connected device capabilities for the manufacturing industry, and we're specifically going to talk about Azure, Office 365, SharePoint, Power BI, and Dynamics CRM Online. My name is Tabitha Sheaver, and I am with PA Group. We're based out of Chattanooga, Tennessee, and we help implement CRM, ERP, and MES solutions for the manufacturing industry. So let's go ahead and get started. Manufacturing organizations that we work with have really come to us and indicated that they've got a lot of challenges. And some of the things that we're seeing that are kind of common is that there's this limited and kind of awareness of the customer service issues. The internal departments are siloed and segmented, or they have insufficient tools for optimizing the customer experience in a competitive marketplace. And so that's why we decided to do this demo, because we know that using Dynamics CRM Online and some of the device capabilities, we can leverage the Internet of Things and really help manufacturers learn the issues before they get reported. And this creates amazing customer experiences, and it allows you to be more responsive to your customers' needs. So let's talk about the Internet of Things a little bit. The example of a typical vending machine is something everyone can relate to. So when the vending machine's connected using a sensor, it can suddenly send rich and insightful data to the cloud. Here it can be consumed by customer service reps or local field technicians, business planners at headquarters, or even a control center that monitors its overall health and usage. Through this continuous connectivity, updates to the machine's system can be made directly or sent to a field service rep who can make repairs before the unit breaks down. In this demonstration, you'll see examples of a manufacturer taking advantage of the connected device capability using Internet of Things. The Internet of Things provide manufacturers with the opportunity to harness data from across their business and operations by connecting people, processes, and assets. This demo features a customer service rep who engages with a customer to resolve an issue and a sales manager who gathers insights to make intelligent sales and manage marketing campaigns. In many organizations, the customer service department is more of a support entity. In today's Internet of Things digital era, however, customer service representatives can use connected devices to proactively learn of issues and take immediate action. In our demo today, Jim Hance is our customer service representative, and he works for an electronics manufacturing organization. He's going to use Dynamics CRM Online to detect and solve a product issue. Logging into CRM, Jim uses the customer service representative dashboard to monitor all of his active cases and the activities that are associated with those cases. He can see his active case mix and a glance and kind of this roll up here, or he can drill into the chart to see all of the underlying records. By selecting on this largest wedge, he can see which case type is most common and even drill deeper to figure out why. Notice that all these cases have an origin listed as device. So unlike traditional customer service requests, these particular cases were automatically created by Dynamics CRM Online, which detected that the Smart TV application isn't downloading for some customers. Dynamics CRM Online received this notification from internal sensors built directly into the television sets. Knowing the origin of the problem and how the case was created helps Jim better understand his cases when resolving customer satisfaction issues. Jim can see here that this top one is the highest priority. So he selects the top record in this queue, and he can resolve this case right from here. First, he reviews the case details. He looks at the activities and to see if they have any recent cases. In the research stage of this business process flow, he can find similar cases from across the organization. This will help aid him as he decides the best course of action. In the perform service stage, Jim can point the customer to online support via the self-service portal, chat directly with the customer using the Parature-based live chat, and more. In this cross-sell and upsell stage, he can recommend associated products such as a home theater system to the customer. The customer is interested, and so Jim goes ahead and he indicates that here. Notice that the business process flow is dynamic and that complete sales stage was automatically added so that the opportunity can be followed up on later. By proactively engaging with the customer, Jim was able to investigate the issue and even make an additional sale. With Dynamic CRM Online enabling Internet of Things, we not only have proactive customer service, but also automated services that create cases on issues that customers aren't even aware of. Connected device capabilities leveraging the Internet of Things can greatly impact opportunity management as well. In this next scenario, you're going to follow along with Spencer Lowe. He's a sales manager at the company who uses CRM Online to look for sales opportunities and to monitor campaigns and activities. Spencer begins his day in CRM as well. First, he goes into his area manager dashboard where he can monitor his open opportunities and where they came from. This chart at the top indicates that many of these were system generated. The system generated these based on past opportunities. He can also review his top customers. Next, we're actually going to switch over to Excel to see an analysis of the TV sales in his region. Now, this Excel report is leveraging Power BI, which is all hosted on Office 365. And you can see from this visually compelling chart that Spencer can really get a comprehensive view of the data regarding the different regional sales groups. He can even filter for sales on a specific product to get more details. If he wants, he can actually do a time-lapse view to see the revenue earned per salesperson over time. Spencer notices that this team member, Mark here, has not brought in as much revenue as the others, and he seems to be lagging behind. So Spencer's going to make a note to follow up with Mark later. Next, Spencer decides to review his top accounts to see how they're doing, so he hops back over to CRM. Here, he can just go to his Dashboards tab and navigate directly to his accounts. He wants to start out by looking at Northwind Traders because they're his largest account. So here, Spencer gets an overall view of the customer's activities, the opportunities that they have, and even some of the recent cases. By scrolling down, he also has the opportunity to check into Insights. So Insights is a tool that's provided by Inside View, and it provides customer data that's aggregated from over 30,000 external sources. And he can even call the customer right from within Dynamic CRM Online using Skype. Next, Spencer's going to go ahead and take a look at the opportunity that he has with this customer. So without any cumbersome navigation, right here from the account, he can link to this opportunity. Spencer sees that this opportunity was actually system generated, meaning it was automatically created based on an intelligent analysis of the customer's purchase history, market trends, and information from sensors indicating item usage. This intelligent analysis uses machine learning available in the Microsoft Azure cloud to determine the customer's next buying opportunity, which is automatically created in Dynamic CRM. Talk about powerful. Next, we're going to hop over to marketing. Effectively managing the sales opportunity is important. But now we want to see how Spencer can leverage connected devices in his marketing activities as well. We're going to go ahead and hop over to Microsoft Dynamics Marketing, which is another solution that can integrate with Dynamics CRM Online. Using Dynamics Marketing, Spencer is in the process of finalizing a campaign that will automatically drive new product sales, as well as identify when previous models need to come up for renewal and reach out to the customer. So this gives us some overview on the overall campaign. And you can see here that there's a title and a description, but more importantly, we can actually analyze and think about what our objectives are and make those visible to lots of people within the organization. Now, he wants to take a look at the campaign automation. When he's ready to do so, he can actually review all the steps, how many emails are being sent out, all the social media posts, and later, after he activates this campaign, he'll be able to see visual workflows, including the number of customers that were targeted, any emails, and how his clients or his customers interacted with this marketing campaign. Each device itself will also be targeted so that it notifies the user when and how to upgrade to the new model. Pretty cool. Next, Spencer's going to hop over to social engagement. Social engagement also integrates directly with CRM Online, and the purpose of this tool is to help monitor buzz and identify the key topics that his customers are talking about on social media. For instance, he can review trending topics. In this instance, the trending topic is 4K renewal, and this is linked to a campaign that he did with the hashtag move to 4K. So he's curious to see what the customers are saying about this new TV, and he decides to investigate. Spencer can see that the sentiment is mostly positive, and he can actually scroll down to see where the post came from, and even the languages. So here's the source summary, which post came from Twitter, all 4 of them did, and then the language and the percentage. He can also drill down into the individual posts to see exactly what people are saying about the new TV. So by proactively analyzing the market opportunities and reviewing the marketing campaigns, Spencer's able to stay close to his customers, and he can track his company's impact through direct feedback. So as you saw in this demo, connected device capabilities from Microsoft within Dynamics CRM Online leverage the Internet of Things, and they harness data from the business and the operations so that manufacturers can execute on marketing campaigns. You can monitor your return on your investments, and you can track marketplace sentiment in real time. And by learning of issues before they're reported, you can take immediate action. This allows you as a manufacturer to just create amazing customer experiences and become more responsive to your customers' needs. This is just one example of how customer relationship management isn't just for keeping track of contacts anymore. This is about digitizing your business to provide better service to your customers and transform your organization's responsiveness. If you're interested in learning more about this solution or any of the other manufacturing solutions that PA Group offers, I encourage you to come to our website at pa-group.us and click the Contact Us button to submit. If you have any direct questions or want to speak with me, my name is Tabitha Sheaver. I'm the CRM Practice Director, and I can be reached at 314-517-2168. Thanks for spending your time with us. I hope you found this information to be valuable and relevant, and we look forward to helping you in the future.